Ah! Oh God! Oh.
For this hole, I'm gonna get ice. Really? It's been 3 days, man. I'm not scary anymore. Skeleton! Look, I didn't mean you were scary anymore. Skeleton. He hung himself. Hey, I didn't know he had a mustache. It's cute. It's really cute.